Hi students, today we start the new chapter called Arithmetic Progression, which is very easy, but there are too many problems in the chapter, but very comfortable, and it plays a very important role in your final examination. And you will get one 4-mark question, one 3-mark question, and also one 1-mark question, or otherwise 1 3, 1 2, 1 1 mark definitely from this chapter. Okay. See, what is the progression actually? You will have some series of numbers. Something like this. These are the series. These are called arithmetic progression if they satisfy a particular condition. What is that condition? The condition is the numbers which follows the previous number or the successive numbers should follow a particular rule of adding or subtracting. Like here 2, we get 3 by adding 1, but we get 5 by adding 2, by adding 2, by adding 3, again 2. What is this? There is no particular rule. It is not in arithmetic progression. Here, see 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. So it is forming arithmetic progression. 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10 plus 3 13. So this is also in arithmetic progression. And suppose if the numbers are like this. See what is happening here? Number is decreasing, or we can say minus 4 is added. 10 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4. Like that, minus 4 is added, or you can tell that the difference is minus 4. Okay? If the series of the numbers follows certain particular order, then such a sequence is called in arithmetic progression. Okay? See, in arithmetic progression, what happens, So if you take the difference means always we call the first number as A1 or A, and the second number as A2 or A2 only. It is called first term, second term, third term, like that. If you take the difference of any two successive numbers, that means A2 minus A1, difference A3 minus A2, this should be same. If this is same, then it follows a particular AP. Okay, it follows this. See, let us check here. What is A2 minus A1? 3. What is A2 minus A1? 3. What is A2 minus A1 here? 3. What is A2 minus A1 here? Minus 4. What is A2 minus here? Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. This is called D, and this called as common difference. The common difference is the difference of any two successive numbers of the series. Okay. So the first exercise we do the common difference. In general, the series in AP can be written like so if we start with the first number A, second number will be A plus D. The D can be negative also, like how I did. And the next number will be D, add D to this, A plus 2D. The next number will be A plus 3D. Next number will be A plus 4D, like that. So the first term is A1 is A, A2 is A plus 1D, and A3 is A plus 2D, A4 is A plus 3D. So the nth term also you can find that, but nth term you will get it in the next exercise. Okay, with this concept we do some problems of the exercise. So in exercise 5.1, in the first question, you are given 4 questions and you are asked to check whether they are forming AP or not. The first question is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare gets 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional trip. That means starting 15 rupees we have to pay. Again, after every kilometer you have to keep on adding 8 rupees. 15 plus 8 plus 8. 8. So that means 15, 23, 31, 39, like that. So is this forming an AP? Let us see the difference. 23 minus 15 8, 31 minus 23 8, 39 minus 31 8. Because why I am adding 8? Because this is in second kilometer. This is at the end of third kilometer. This is at the end of fourth kilometer. You have to keep on adding 8 rupees to the previous kilometer, the distance you traveled. So this is in AP, first question. Second question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pipe removes 1 by 4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at that time. That means, suppose if the vacuum is weak, so 1 by 4 of the vacuum is removed in the next stage. That means, in the next case, V minus 1 by 4 of V. Then what it becomes? 3V by 4. Okay. In the next, now the vacuum present is this. From here, what should be removed? 3V by 4 minus 1 by 4 of 3V by 4. You understood this point? See, this is the vacuum initially. He has removed 1 by 4th of the vacuum. So you have this. Now from this is the present now. From this you have to remove 1 by 4th of the vacuum. Now what happens here? 3V by 4. If I take common 1 minus 1 by 4, 3V by 4 into 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, 9V by 16. So on, like that it happens. Let us see whether it forms AP or not. So A2 minus A1 we do 3V by 4 minus V. LCM is 4, 3V minus 4V minus V by 4. A3 minus A2 also we do 9V by 16 minus 3V by 4. LCM is 16, 9V minus 12V. So minus 3V by 16. So both A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, both these are not same. When these are not same, it is not treated as in AP. Keep pause the video guys. This is not easy problem. Okay, be careful. Let's go to the next question. It is about the cost of digging a well. When the well is digged, they take the cost according to the meters that we dig. Initially, they take 150 rupees. Yeah, rupees 150. After that, for every meter, they are adding 50 rupees. 150 plus 50. This becomes 200. Next, 200 plus 50. Then this becomes 250. Next, like that, so on. So, is it in AP? Of course, it is in AP. See, what is A2 minus A1 here? 50. In the same way, A3 minus A2, it is also 50. Okay? Now, the last question, the amount of money in the account every year, 1000 is deposited. Compound interest, 8% per annum. Compound interest. So, principal amount is 1000 rupees. Rate of interest is given 8%, no, 10,000 rupees. 8% per annum. Actually, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. No? So, for the first year, what happens? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100. Second year, it becomes 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. Third, 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole cube. So, even when you take A2 minus A, because it is a very big value, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, because clearly it is visible that it is increasing rapidly. The power is increasing. When the power is increased rapidly, it won't be in AP. See, even if you calculate the value also, you will understand. It becomes less value, more value. And the value will not be the same. What value? The difference value will not be the same, because it is rising in powers. So no need to do the calculation. You can directly, because the compound interest will never be in AP, because the power is rising. Okay? Or otherwise you can calculate the value and you can check also. It won't be equal. Okay? Next question. Now I will do one problem of each part. In the second, you are given A and D values, and you are asked to write the first term and the common difference D are given. First 4 terms. I'll do the fifth one, which is negative. A is equal to, fifth one, A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. And you are told to write first four terms. First four terms. A plus 1D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Are these the first four terms? Okay. A minus 1.25, minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. That's it. Minus 1.25. This, when you add, it become minus 1.5. And when you add, it become minus 1.75 because it become 5, 0.5. And it become minus 0.75 minus 2. These are the first four terms. Like in the same way, write the first term and the common difference you are asked there. You are given AP. Common difference is nothing but A2 minus A1. You can take. I take the fraction one. Or otherwise, I take the fourth one, which is in decimals, which is still difficult. 0.6. 1.7, 2.8, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9. You just need to check. You just need to write the common difference. First term is 0.6. Common difference CD, or you can write D. A2 minus A1. 1.7 minus 0.6. That is nothing but 1.1. Shall we check once? A3 minus A2 also you should get the same thing. 2.8 minus 1.7, yes, 1.1. Okay? Then the next thing. If they form an AP, which of the following are in AP? You are asked to check which of the following are in AP. These are the things. How to check? I'll do two problems, guys, in this. Okay, I'll do three problems. Second one, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. We have to check whether this is in AP or not. How? Yeah, and if they form AP, find the common difference. Simple. A1, A2, A3. Common difference we find first. A2 minus A1. 5 by 2 minus 2. LCM is 2. 5 minus 4. 1 by 2. Again A3 minus A2. 3 minus 5 by 2. LCM is 2. 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. The difference is same. So this forms an AP. Okay, and what is the difference? 1 by 2. Let us take one more problem, minus negative. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2. So on. So A2 minus A1. Minus 3.2 minus 1. See, minus bracket. Be careful. Minus 3.2 plus 1 it become minus 2. Again A3 minus A2 also we do. Minus 5.2 minus 3.2. A2 minus A1. Sorry, A3 minus A2. Minus 5.2 plus 3 it become minus 2. So both are same. Therefore the given series is also in AP. One more problem. It is of decimal 0.2, 0.22. Oh, I do one irrational also. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. So A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3, root 2, and A2, 3 minus A2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus. See, when you get two terms like this, put a bracket. Now expand the bracket. 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 become root 2. Both are same. This is also in AP. The other one, decimals one we do. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, so on. Or let us take A2 minus A1. 0.22 minus 0.2. It becomes 0.02. A3 minus A2. 0.222 minus 0.22. You know how to do this? 0.22, 0.2. When there is nothing, we put 0 here. Like this. And here, 0. If you are not able to do, then do like this. Nothing wrong in doing like this. It is 0.002, which is not equal. So, this is not in AP. Like it. Okay? Next one. So, hope you do all this and get back to me if you have any doubts in this. Okay? All the best, guys. Hi, students. In arithmetic progression, the next exercise is to find out the nth term. I tell you, you know this series. A, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, fifth term is a plus 4d, so on. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So, if second term is a plus 1d, third term is a plus 2d, fifth term is a plus 4d, 10th term will be a plus 9d, 100th term will be, what is the 10th term? A5 is a plus 4d, no? 10th term will be a plus 9d, 100th term will be a plus 90. Like that, the nth term is taken as a plus, if it is 100, it is 99. If it is 10, it is 9. If it is 5, it is 4. If it is 2, it is 1. If it is 3, it is 2. If it is n, it will be n minus 1 into t. This is the basic formula. So the nth term is always nth term. Sometimes we have to take it as the last term also. Last term, nth term or the last term. Okay? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Just by heart this before starting this exercise. Now I'll do some problems of this exercise. See, in the first problem, the problem is given like this. I have chosen 4 out of 5 because the fifth one and also first one are same. So with the formula, this is the basic formula. An is a plus n minus 1. With this formula, I do all the problems. How? I'll tell you. In the first question, what is required? This is required, an. So we take, what is a here? 7 plus n is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 2 d. D is 3. So 7 plus 21, it is 28. The first answer. What is the second one? The same formula. An. A plus n minus 1 into d. Keep writing the formula number of times so that you can by heart it. What is an here? 0 is equal to a minus 18 plus n 10 minus 1 9 into d. We don't know d. Bring 18 here, it becomes plus 18 9d. D is equal to 18 by 9. It is 2. Okay. Now I love this. I do the third one. Third one, you don't know a. You don't know the value of a. So we do a. How? A value is given minus 5. A is, don't know. N is 18 minus 1, 17 into t is minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a minus 51. Bring minus 51 here. 51 minus 5 is a. So a is 46. Okay? Understood? Next one. The same way, fourth one. What is n is not given here. An is 3.6. A is minus 18.9. And plus n minus 1 into d is 2.5. So minus 18.9, bring here 3.6 plus 18.9. N minus 1 into 2.5. If I add this, I'll get 22.5 is equal to 2.5 into n minus 1. If you are not able to subtract, divide the decimals, you can do like this. 225 by 10, 25 by 10 into n minus 1. This is easy way to do. So you can cancel now. 225 by 25 is equal to n minus 1. It is 9. So n minus 1 becomes 9. n equal to 9 plus 1, it is 10. Understand? Okay, pause the video and check it carefully. Okay, now I'll go to the next one. So choose the correct choice of the following and justify. 30th term of AP. You are given 10, 7, the first question. 10, 7, 4, so on. So A is 10. See, whenever you are doing a problem in AP, always write the values of A and D first. That's very important. What is A here? A is 10. D is A2 minus A1. 7 minus 10 minus 3. What did they ask us? So 30th term. 30th term means A30. What is the formula of A plus n minus 1 into D? So 10 plus 30 minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. Here n is 30. See, n is 30. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3. It becomes 10 minus 87. So minus 77 is the answer. In the same way, 11th term of an AP, minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2, so on. So what is A here? No need to do A3 minus A2 here, because they told us, they have given us that this given series is in AP. A is this, and D will be A2 minus A1, minus 1 by 2 minus 3, minus 1 by 2 plus 3, 5. After getting A and D, what did they ask? 11th term. A11, that is nothing but A plus 10D. So minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 2 5 times it will get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 25, it is 22. Okay? Next question. Some boxes are given here. First one, 2 box 26. This is the series. We have to find out the space. So what will be the number in the space? Okay. See, first one, A1 is 2. That means A is 2. This is A2. We don't know A2. So A3 is 26. So how to do this? I tell you. So with the available things, take A3, 26. A3 formula is A plus 2D. See, your aim must be always to find the values of A and D. Okay. A is 2 plus 2D is 26. 2D is 26 minus 2, 24. D is 12. So you have A value and you have D value. Can you find out A2? What is A2? A plus 1D. So A is 2 plus 1 into 12, that is equal to 14. So the box value represents 14. Okay. In the next question, they given 2 boxes. Box 13, box 3. That means A1 we don't know, A2 we know, A3 we don't know, A4 we know. So A2 is equal to 13. A2 means A plus 1D is equal to 13. A4 is equal to 3. A4 means A plus 3D is equal to 3. Okay. Now your aim should be to find the values of A and D. So we'll find out the values by solving these two. Now we apply pair of linear equations elimination method. Subtract and change the symbols. 2D is equal to minus 10. D equal to minus 10 by 2. D is minus 5. After getting D, find out A. Take any one of them. A plus 1D is 13. So A minus 5 is 13. A is equal to 18. So after getting A and D, you get A and D. A and D you can do a number of things. What did they ask? First one A. A1 is A. 18 we got it. Next A3. A plus 2d. So 18 plus 2 into what is d? D is minus 5. 18 minus 10, that is 8. Okay. Understood. Next one. Third one, 5 box and 9 1 by 2. That means this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So A1 is 5. That means A is 5. A4 is 9 1 by 2. That means A plus 3D 11 by 19 by 2. 2 9s 18 plus 1. This is 5 plus 3D because A is 5 here. 19 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. LCM is 2, 19 minus 10, 9 by 2. So that means 3D is equal to 9 by 2, D is equal to 3 by 2. You got the values of A and D. A and D. When you get the values of A and D, you can do number of problems. What we need? We need A2, A plus 1D, 5 plus 1D, 3 by 2, 13 by 2, 2 5 is 10. In the same way A3, A plus 2D, 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, become 5 plus 3, 8. Okay? Next question. So minus 4, 4 boxes and 6. Fourth one. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes and 6. That means A1 is minus 4, A is minus 4. We need D. So we take this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A6 is given as 6. A6 is nothing but A plus 5D is 6. Minus 4 plus 5D is 6. Guys, I am writing formula directly. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5. D is 2. When you get D value 2 and A is this, what we need? We need A2. A plus 1D. So minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Next A3 we need. A plus 2D. Minus 4 plus 2 into 2. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. A4, A plus 3D, minus 4 plus 3 into 2, minus 4 plus 6, 2, A5, A plus 4D, minus 4 plus 4 into 2, minus 4 plus 8, that equal to 4. Like that you have to do. Okay? In the next question, you are given a series here. In the fourth question, which term of an AP is 78? They are given AP. 3, 8, 13, 18, so on. 13, 18, so on. Which term is 78? Which term is 78? When they ask us which term, that means you have to find out N. Which term, last term, whenever they ask, you have to equate it with AN, always. Which term, how many terms, whenever they ask, the last term should be equated with whatever they give number. Okay? AN is 78. AN formula, here A is 3, D is 5. You have to find out first A and D always when you do the problem of AP. A plus N minus 1 into D is 78. A is 3 plus N minus 1 into 5 is 78. Bring 3 to that side. N minus 1 into 5 is 78 minus 3, 75. So N minus 1 can be taken as 75 by 5 because it is a product. 5 15 times. So N minus 1 is 15. N equal to 16. So this is the 16th term. See, people think that when 78 is which term they ask, we have to find N, they know. but they don't know with what that is to be equated. Okay, that should be equated with an. Right. Find the number of terms in the next question. Same. Even find the number of terms in the series you are given 7, 13, 19, 13, 19, so on, 205. So when they ask something like find the number of terms, first term is always 7 here, and D common difference is A2 minus A1, 13 minus 7, 6. So last term to be equated with AN, because find the number of terms is also to find N only. So AN is this, A plus N minus 1 into D is this. So A is 7 plus N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205. N minus 1 into 6 equal to, it become 198. So N minus 1 become 198 by 6. It become 33. So N equal to 34. There are 34 terms. In the same way, next question, 18 comma 15 1 by 2, so on, 13, so on. So A is 18, so on. The last number is 40 minus 47. I'm doing this because it is minus. So D is A2 minus A1. This is 31 by 2 because mixed fraction, minus 18. LCM is 2, 31 minus 36 minus 5 by 2. Now equate the last term with AN. A plus N minus 1 into D minus 47. A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D. D is the minus 5 by 2 is minus 47. Now bring 18 that side. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 minus 47 minus 18. So N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 becomes minus 65. You can cancel minus. You can cancel 5 with this 13. N minus 1 is cross multiply 2. It becomes 26 and become 27. There are 27 terms. Pause the video and check them properly. The rest of the problems I will upload in the next video. Okay.